Right, so hopefully, I think I've sorted the audio out for the GoPro. I think so. I don't actually know until until I watch back on this, to be honest. First time going to Loomies Café by myself, which is daunting. There's many years I've been riding bikes, 10 years now? I still hate going to bike meets by myself. It's so much better with friends. But, you know, we'll manage. The old police over there. We will manage. Trying to follow the old shat nav, because that sucks. Southdowns way, you get a negative review from me for motorbikes, well, sports bikes. Probably nice on a Toro or something, but not for me on my old CBR 600RR. Oh, hey buddy. Probably had time to shoot straight across, but I don't want to be that arsehole that cuts up traffic, you know what I mean? I don't want to be that guy. I'm a nice biker. I'm not one of those who blames cars for everything. Wouldn't it have been funny if he'd have just stopped in front of me, I'd gone to the back of him and then blamed him? That'd have been quite amusing, wouldn't it? Well, probably not for me, but... you know, probably for you lot. I don't blame cars for everything. Both straight into the back of a car. Oh, look. Yes. However, there is shitloads of traffic. So how am I going to piss here? I mean, I'm going to have to. This is ridiculous. I don't think I'm going to be able to. I'm pee shy. This is like one of the busiest fucking roads ever. And it's all covered in nettles, so I can't even go across and hide behind a tree. We're going to have to find somewhere else. Most people would just piss. But there's nowhere I can safely do it without either stinging my cock or someone seeing the absolute 10-inch meat that I'm hiding down below. Fuck's sake, I thought it was good as well. I thought we were golden. And now we're back on the bike. I guarantee no one comes. Yeah. Oh, you know it. You know it. There's Loomies. Do the waddle. There we go. Well, if you can hear me, we're currently, well, I'm about to leave Loomies Café. It's picked up a bit from when I arrived. And unfortunately I just missed one of the greatest wheelies I've seen going up the road, up the hill. But while I've been parked here, there's some amazing Ducati V4 SP2 parked next to me, and it is fucking gorgeous. Like, I wish I could afford a bike like that. It is nuts, the colour of it, everything, but it is well out of my budget by quite a way, and I'm not going to have to wheel this back because I'm a short ass. There we go. Alright. So, which way are you going? Alright. Let's get out of here. Whew. Let's go. I'm going to go back down through the A3. Am I recording? Yes, I am. I'm going to go back down the A3. Now, I don't know. I'm going to have to wait, because when these turn green for me to turn right, I don't know if these are going to go straight on. Or not. I have no idea. What is he doing? Obviously waiting for his buddies. Look at the field of cows. Look at them. Cows are so cute, man. Or are they bulls? No, they're definitely cows. You wouldn't have that many bulls in a fucking tent, would you? Oh, look at the cows, you dairy bastards.